evening, Puan. My name is Vaigish, son of Jayasilan. Today, I and my teammate Maria Aludevan going to present about Schneiderman's 8 golden rules. Okay. First one is strive for consistency. Consistent sequence of action should be required in similar situations. Identical terminology should be used in prompts, menus, and help screen, and consistent comments should be employed throughout. Okay, that this is the example of now the website I choose is Polytechnic Unkoma. So when you enter this website, first you see is the website home. Next, I'm going to talk about enable frequent users to use shortcuts. As the frequency of use increase, so do the users desire to reduce the number of interaction and increase the pace of interaction. Abbreviation, function, keys, hidden commands, and macro facilities are very helpful to an expert user. So when you click the home menu, when you click a button, there you can see information there, such as the map of this building, like the surrounding building of this place, like that. Okay. Next, I'd like to talk about offer informative feedback. For every operator action, there should be some system feedback. For frequent and minor actions, the response can be modest, while for infrequent and major action, the response should be more substantial. Okay, let's say I go to one of these Unkoma website. So I enter my login and my password to view the information, but I find out that something maybe in password incorrect. So I fail to access the information. It say please re-logging to renew your session. Okay. Next, I'm going to talk about design dialog to yield crosshair. Sequence of action should be organized into groups with a beginning, middle, and the end. The informative feedback at the completion of a group of action gives the operators the satisfaction of accomplishment, a sense of relief, the signal to drop contingency plans and options from their mind, and an indication that the way is clear to prepare for the next group of action. So let's say I I write my IC number and I going to choose my course. So when there's a space to fill in, when I click OK, so the information should come. Okay, next I'm going to pass my teammate Maria Aludevan to present slide 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Okay, Vaigish, thank you. Okay, for now, for the fifth one is offer error prevention and simple error handling. Okay, for this one, as much as possible, design the system so the user cannot make a serious error. If an error is made, the system should be able to detect the error and offer simple, comprehensible mechanism for handling the situation. Okay, for this website or this web page, as you can see here, it shows a 040 error, which usually is a web page error. So you also given solution. Sorry, we can't find the page you are looking for. Please go to home. Okay, this home button is the solution. If we click this button, it will straight away go to the home page and you can start over whatever error that you made. Okay, the sixth one is permit easy reversal of action. Okay, for this one, it's also same as the fifth one, but this one is when you click a button, it will go in reverse. Okay, this feature relies relieves anxiety since the user knows the errors that can be undone. It thus encourages exploration of unfamiliar options. The units of reversibility may be a single action, a data entry, or a complete group of actions. Okay, as you can see here, if we like accidentally click something that which, or during a sign in, when we accidentally put wrong information about us, we can click this cancel button, or as in here Malay batal. So it will go back again and you can start again the sign in process. Okay, the seventh one is support internal locus of control. Okay, the experienced operators strongly desire the sense that they are in charge of the system and that the system responds to their actions. Design the systems to make the users initiators of action rather than the responders. Like if usually the responders will always respond things, but like we can also change a few things like our information. We can edit by ourselves. We don't need the help of the operators or the programmers to change our info. Like for this, we can fill in our name, our IC number, and all of that information here by ourselves. We do not need to expect other operators or programmers to come and interfere with our process and change our everything. Okay, the final step is, final rule is reduce short-term memory load. Okay, for this one, it is simple as, okay, the limitation of human information processing in short-term memory requires that displays be kept simple, multiple page displays be consolidated, window motion frequency be reduced, and sufficient training time will be allocated for codes, mnemonics, and sequence of actions. Okay, as you can see here, the web page here shows easily. We do not need to load anything seriously. If we go to the home page here, you can see there are four options or tabs here. If we just click on this, it will show four options more, which you can go to the other thing. Okay, if you scroll down here, sorry, as you can scroll down here, this website shows that it has many things like the plaza information and all that. So it can be easily reloaded again if you want. Okay, that's all. Thank you.